Hello. I can't do that any longer. Next week will be a huge announcement. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for some fun. The last 3 months have not been very fun for me at all, but it's time to change that. So, as you guys probably saw from the thumbnail and title, I'm here in the US and we're going drifting across America. So basically the plan is, when I got back to the US, I was trying to figure out kind of what the next move was and how to make drifting fun again for myself and make better content for you guys. And I was like, I have a working car here. The R34 is freaking dialed. I love that car. My semi didn't sell yet. Someone almost bought it, so it's actually a blessing in disguise that they backed out, because I'm like, I still have a rig here. I have all my tools. I have the car. I just need fuel and tires, and we could go drifting in the US and go have some fun. So that's what we're doing. I am leaving tomorrow. From the time of upload of this video, I'm leaving tomorrow, driving over to California to pick up fuel and tires. So we'll be stopping by Ignite and grabbing some barrels of Ignite Red. So let's talk the plan. So I actually had Jameson, my old mechanic, come over and help me do a prep on the R34. The only thing I want to do is retune it and lower the horsepower. It has like 950 wheel horsepower, and that's completely unnecessary. For most of the events I'll be going to, and honestly anything but competition, we're not going out to compete. This is just to go have fun, go to fun events, and just drive with a bunch of new drivers and go to new tracks that I've never been to. So we're gonna retune the car on Monday, drop it from 14 pounds of boost to 6 pounds of boost. Hopefully it's somewhere in like the 600 wheel range. That would be much, much easier on the drivetrain and tires and all that, and still plenty fast. And then load it up. The rig's already loaded up, everything's cleaned. We're gonna leave Tuesday and head up to Washington. Let me tell you guys kind of the schedule for this whole thing. Event number 1 is, I'm looking at the computer, is an open drift day at Spirit Peaks Raceway in Washington on August 6th. So we'll be starting, that'll be our first event of the Drifting Across America tour. From there, we'll go to Evergreen for Evergreen Drift at Evergreen Speedway on Sunday, August 7th. I'm super stoked for both these events because I haven't done any drifting in the northern west of the country. Unfortunately, Park is not, to my knowledge, is not open right now, because I really wanted to drift there as well. But comment below if you guys have any word on that or any news. I'd really love to drift there. And by the way, as we're going through the schedule and talking about what events I'm gonna be at, I really wanna see all of you out there. So if you live close by, come out, grab a ride along. If you're a driver, hopefully I'll see you there and we get some driving in together. That would be super, super fun. This whole schedule will be up on my website as well and in the video description, so you guys can kind of see it. Also, if I'm there and you guys want to do something, whether it's a photo shoot or go grab some drinks or whatever, invite me, because I'll be on this road trip literally living in the rig for the next 6 weeks, and there's no real agenda besides just having fun and doing a bunch of driving. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're going to be around and kind of what's going on, or hit me up on IG. So we'll do another prep on the car, oil change, bolt check, all that stuff, and then head on over to North Dakota. I know it's super random, but my dad's actually from North Dakota. A lot of my family lives in the Midwest and some in North Dakota, and I've never done any drifting up there either. And so August 12th to 14th is Drift the Plains 3 at Interstate Raceway in basically Fargo, North Dakota. It's actually on the Minnesota side. So stoked for that. That's gonna be really, really fun. A longtime friend of mine that I've literally never met in person, Alex Milosevic, he drifts now and he's from North Dakota. So we're gonna see him there as well as a couple other guys. There's also like a little mini competition that maybe we'll do and just have some fun with it. From there, we're going over, I'm so excited for this one. I'm excited for all these, so you're gonna hear me say that a lot. We're going over to Wisconsin to go to USAIR, which I've wanted to drift on forever. Hopefully I can do the advanced layout, that'd be sick. Either way though, the track is phenomenal and it'll be really, really cool to do some more drifting in the Midwest. So that's August 20th. I'm sure along this way I'm gonna see a ton of you guys and I'm so freaking stoked for that. So definitely, if you're a driver, let's get some drifting in, have some fun. If you're not driving and you're there, come jump in the car. I wanna be doing ride-alongs like this whole time. That's really, I miss doing ride-alongs, and that's one of my favorite things. I love having you guys jump in the car and us just having a good time. So from Wisconsin, I can't find anything for the weekend of August 28th. I've looked all over the Midwest, but my next event is on September 4th in Illinois. Comment below if there's anything going on in that 2-week gap, because I'll just be basically chilling in the Midwest, ready to drift. So, I mean, I can even go down to like Tennessee or Kentucky if there's anything going on down there, because I have 2 weeks. But September 4th, we're doing the Gateway Drift Alliance drift event at Worldwide Tech Raceway. I don't know if we'll be doing the FD layout. That would be kind of fun though. So that's on September 4th, just a 1-day event. From there, we head to Minnesota, and we're going to the MAP Proving Grounds, which is like a huge event for the Midwest. That's September 9th to 11th, a 3-day event at Brainerd International Raceway. This one's pretty cool to me. This is one of the ones I'm most excited about, because I'm from Minnesota originally, and I've never drifted there. So I think that's gonna be really, really fun. They have like drifting, drag racing, all sorts of stuff. Really hoping some of you guys in Minnesota come out and hang out with me, or if you're already gonna be there, then I'll see you. And that brings us to our last event for the Drifting Across America tour. Doesn't necessarily mean the tour is over, so stay tuned because I'll explain a little bit more. But the last event that's planned, No Star Bash, September 16th to 18th, another 3-day event at Killcare Raceway in Ohio. I've done a lot of sim drifting on Killcare. It's really, really fun track. I think that's gonna be really fun. Just end this thing with a big 3-day drift bash. This has been really positive video and exciting so far, and I don't want to
put a damper on that at all, but
basically the plan with this whole thing is, before I put out the last vlog, I was pretty much ready to quit. I was like, I'm dying financially, dying mentally and physically, and I just can't see like how I can turn this thing around. This is what I'm trying to do with this Drifting Across America tour, trying to make drifting fun again for myself and putting out good videos. So if you guys want to support this, I haven't even talked about this yet, but we have YouTube memberships now. If you don't want to do the merchandise, it's only $3 a month. Basically, you can just buy me or Aaron a coffee every month for producing videos for you guys. That's a really easy thing and easy way to support us. I mean, it's literally $3 a month, and you can cancel whenever you want. But we already have some members in there, and we'll be introducing new membership levels with new perks as we start getting some more people in there. So that's one easy way, besides just watching the videos. You can also get our merchandise on haugenracing.com, of course. But back to the tour. So if at the end of this, the videos are doing well, I'm having fun, and I want to continue, jump back in it and head east, because there's so many events in like the northeastern United States. Hopefully this all works out, and we'll do that, and we'll just continue going across America, do, you know, like another 6-week leg of the whole like northeastern part of the United States, and then obviously come down across the middle and southeast. Anyways, I'm super excited about this. I hope all of you are too. Let's make this fun again. Anyways, I love all of you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Let's go have some fun. Check out this video. Peace.